My name is Jafar Sadiq from 5th standard. This is the model. It means how plants cook food. They use sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide to make food and oxygen. Thank you. My name is Rafan from 5th standard. My project is types of force. Force, force is a pressure field that acts on an object. Friction force, applied force, magnetic force, tension force, springing force, drag force, buoyant force. Thank you. My name is Nuga from 5th standard. Internal organs. Vital parts inside the body are called internal organs. Example: brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidney, stomach. Brain controls everything. Heart pumps blood throughout the body. Lungs used for breathing. Liver detects and metabolism. Kidney filter waste. Stomach digestive food. Thank you. I am Samira. I am studying 5th standard. My project is natural disaster. Natural disaster is a natural event that causes great destruction to animal, human being, and the environment. Example: earthquake, flood, and volcanic eruption. Thank you. I am Samsia. I am studying 5th grade. My project is safety road. At home, we should not play with fire, knife, or electrical object. At school, we must follow our teacher rules and not run in corridors. First aid is a immediate help given to an injured person. By following the safety rules, we can stay safe and help others. Thank you. I am Mohammed Rishan. This is the model of volume, area, and perimeter. Volume. Volume is the space how much a shape could hold. Area. Area is the space inside a shape. Perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary of a shape. Cube. Volume of a cube is equal to A into A into A. A refers to a side of a cube. Cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Square. Area of a square is equal to A into A. A refers to a side of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4A. Rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. L refers to length, B refers to breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B.
I am Kiviri from 5th standard. When two rays meet at a point are called an angles. Zero angle, exactly 0 degree. Acute angle, more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Right angle, exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Straight angle, exactly 180 degree. Thank you.
My name is Agib Ismail. I am from 5th standard. My project is globes and maps. This is a globe. A globe is a model of the earth. It shows continents and ocean. It is round in shape. This is a map. A map is a drawing of the earth. It shows places, road, rivers. It is flat shape. My name is Mohammed Ansar from 5th standard. Control of circle. Cool. WhatsApp, influence, silence, mountain, orbital, danger, forest, phone, fire, street, telephone, Wi-Fi, keep touch, smoking, food, open and close.
My name is Nasira. I am from 5th standard. My project is natural resources. Natural resources are gift from nature. They help us to live and grow. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources can back again and again. Non-renewable resources limited and can finish. Thank you. Zina study in 5th grade. This is the model of communicable and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. Disease that spread from one person to another person are called communicable disease. Example: chickenpox, tuberculosis, flu, and COVID-19. Non-communicable disease. Disease that do not spread from one person to another person are called non-communicable disease. Example: heart disease, high blood pressure, cancer. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Asik. I am studying 5th standard. My project is in the important monuments in India. Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb, Shivaji, Tipu Sultan.
My name is Asrar from 5th standard. Types of plants: earth, climbers, shrubs, trees, creepers. Types of animal: herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. Thank